What's your message to the Philippines team?
Probably Charlie.
When are you going?
No, I'm not going.
With his brother.
Are you probably wearing sneakers?
With his brother.
There he is. There he is.
Here he is, the big man.
There he is. Yeah, that's one I've been to once. Like, I've never been to that one.
Yeah, you said
So it's good then. You used to come all the time.
no, like right it. It's just like
Yeah. Yeah. That's great.
and it's fireworks in an hour.
Good day. So sad that you're gone though.
Alright. Only occasionally.
On a night like this, as Kylie Minogue would say.
I was here, yes. Oh, last night.
You were here last night?
Yeah,
So you familiarised yourself already.
yeah. This is street.
So that was your first time, but hopefully not your last time.
Then I stayed there for like a few minutes. I ate dinner there.
Yeah.
I tried the biryani there.
Okay.
Intention.
So good.
Hello. Why, you reckon him then? Rosé and ride. Yeah. Wait, can't you go through? Are you on that side? I feel like it's cleaner on. There we go. There you go, Federation Square, everyone. The Sydney Opera House.
I mean, I'm really not opposed to any of this. So.
Too much rosé to go on. That's lovely. Thank you very much. Who's actually going out? You? Mate, you know what we should do? A carnival game.
A carnival game
Carnival
is much
game
more
is a must.
in my realm right now.
Yeah, carnival game. Yeah, carnival game makes sense. Moomba. This is fun.
So
Like, this is
Moomba, they do every year.
I'll explain this before, but yeah, we'll run through it.
So
Jay, have a listen to this.
what?
No, they're just here for presents. It's all good. No, it's just
They have
fun.
like the ski tournament.
So so basically, with the Moomba, so to coincide with the Labor Day weekend,
Alright.
they just put like a festival.
Oh,
So
okay.
carnival rides, games.
So that's why-
expensive food. This is why this one. It's
Okay.
they put up, it's literally this weekend only.
So it's like a gathering for everyone.
Yeah. If people go, So it's only
Do they have like a special like a promo thing? Like it's free for?
no, I mean it's free to come through and walk. But obviously if you're going online, that's not fun. It's just There you go. Yeah, I mean it's just the coincide with the long weekend. Yeah. Do you reckon if they want a big plush tour, they couldn't even take it home?
You can get donuts. You can get fairy cloths.
There you go.
You can go and on it. I think we should all go on that.
I'm not doing
That I cannot do.
I jump on that thing and
I can't do that.
I still need someone to go
I'm
with it.
not doing it.
No, I'm not doing it either.
cars mate.
Wow. No.
Dodging cars if they have that.
I feel like it all involves vomiting, even dodging cars.
So come on over. It's a fantastic family game. Grab a bag and deserve. Every bag you grab holds a surprise. Every bag you grab holds a prize. Grab the bag with a star in it and you get a bigger prize. Grab a bag is a family-friendly game. So get a family to bet every
Elmo.
or the other side. If you'd like to play again, we'll add you up and you can just keep going in a teddy. You're guaranteed a teddy.
What about, there you go, that's 10.
Nice one. I'll take that one from you. Thank you. Do you guys want to come on over, give it a go? Everyone's a winner on this one. 7, 11.
What are we gonna get?
Do you guys want to give it a go?
I don't know yet.
Do you guys want to give it a go? Everyone's a winner on this. You can't lose.
Good marketing strategy. I heard that. That's why I stopped. You said you can't lose.
This is your
I reckon that Patrick's card looks pretty good.
How old are you?
We'll get something for the youngest one.
8.
Right, the youngest son. How old is he? 4. 4.
What does he like? Does he like Pikachu?
No.
Paw Patrol.
Ah, Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol, we've got to get a little chase over there.
We need that Paw Patrol.
16 to 30 gets a Paw Patrol, right? Surely you've got at least a Paw Patrol.
Girls for 10, you're guaranteed one of the small prizes. If you do the 5 balls for 20, you're guaranteed a 10. 33.
Hey!
33.
What does that mean?
33. Paw Patrol. Can we get the?
Okay.
Can we get the Paw Patrol? Yeah.
Which one? Which one?
The yellow.
Yellow. Wait, I was
Yeah,
on fire.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Chase.
Chasing. Yeah, that's good.
The pick of the prizes. We need a couple more players. If we can fill them up, I'm going to make those prizes a whole lot bigger and a whole lot better now. How many there, sir? 3 for 20 as well. So you can use all 3 yourself, or you can share them with your friends. I do have one vacant seat down there on number 18. Anyone want that last one? Last one down here on number 18. One more. Last one. All right, players, we've got 17 races. We're going to go. Okay, sir. Okay, we'll lock you in. All right, players, we're all sold out. We're all locked and loaded. One, you could well win the next one, because somebody always wins it. I don't care who wins them, but someone always will. Are you ready? Just stay there for 1 second. Oh, you're right. Heads down, eyes on your target. In 3, 2, 1, fire away. It's gonna be a great race here.
11.
Number 11, put your hand up in the air. Where are you, number 11? Who was it? The little lady? Jess, put your hand up, young lady. Give her a rally on the bells and drums there, players. She's the big winner, but stay where you are. Let's see what she won. You can have any prize you like on the stand. Guys, let's go again. If you want to jump in on the next one, let's... In the middle, in the center. In the middle, young lady down the end. Number 13, put your hand up. Were you getting it in the center, young lady down there? Were you getting in the middle of that hole? Because that's why I didn't move. Number 13, put your hand up there. Where are you? Who won that one? You did. What would you like, buddy? The yellow Pooh Bear all the way to Garfield, or any prize down below. Now, stay there, guys. Where's the stand?
That's alright. Would you like to go T-Mobile? But that's alright.
And the fourth bonus shot.
From the bottom? Whatever you like. If you like, yes. Like, you can have anything up there.
the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun. As she puts her hand in mine.